Hey there! Welcome to another 50 Express tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to make an easy and delicious empanada using our 50 Express Dulce de Leche Firm and our 50 Express Puff Pastry squares. Put on your aprons and let's get started! For this recipe, we'll need 50 Express Dulce de Leche Firm, pastry squares, granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of water, and 2 pastry bags with your favorite star tips. First, thaw out your puff pastry squares and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Fill the centers of your puff pastry squares and dab a little bit of water on the ends to form and pinch your empanadas. Crimp the edges using a paring knife or a fork. To make an egg wash, combine 1 large egg and 1 tablespoon of water. Whisk that together. Take your pastry brush and brush it over your empanadas. Take a little bit of granulated sugar to form a crust and sprinkle that over the egg-washed empanada. Take your paring knife and cut 2 little openings to release the steam while baking. Bake at 375 for 15 to 18 minutes until golden brown. This is what they should look like. Pro tip: you can use the Dulce de Leche Firm to pipe decorations on your desserts or cakes. Adding that egg wash with the granulated sugar gives it the perfect crunch. An easy and delicious pastry for any occasion. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching this video. Try these products yourself and let us know what you think. For more 50 Express videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. To find these items at a retailer near you, go to 50expressonline.com. See you next time!